dry face mask should not be boring. Have some fun with your homemade face mask. Add a big teaspoon of honey, lemon, and mix it all up. Separately on a plate, add a big bunch of sprinkles and have fun. Start by applying the honey and lemon. Now, don't think that this is only fun. Your skin will love this honey and lemon mask. Honey is antibacterial, great for acne, moisturizing, and gives skin glow and more. And lemon closes pores, tightens skin, and brings that youthful look. And when the entire face is covered with honey and lemon, let the fun begin. That's it for this tutorial. Now head over to the channel and check some other cool recipes and see you soon.